An ingrown toenail is a common problem. When the corner or side edge of a toenail grows into the soft flesh of the nearby skin, it causes a lot of discomfort. People suffering from diabetes or other health problems that cause poor blood circulation to the feet are at a higher risk of developing this painful nail problem. It is easy to take care of an ingrown nail at home if caught early. However, if you notice signs of infection, get it checked by a doctor, or else it may spread and cause complications. Here are the top 7 ways to get rid of ingrown toenails. Number 1. Warm water soak. When suffering from ingrown toenails, warm water foot soaks a few times a day can help a great deal in relieving the swelling, pain, and tenderness caused by this problem. Fill a small foot tub with warm water. Soak your feet in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this 3 to 4 times a day to get relief. Number 2. Turmeric. You can also use turmeric to get rid of ingrown toenail discomforts such as pain, swelling, and inflammation. Make a paste of ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder and a little mustard oil. Smear the paste all over the affected toe and cover it with a bandage. Repeat 2 or 3 times daily for several days. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also helpful for ingrown toenails. Its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory nature can help relieve the symptoms. Plus, its mild acidic nature prevents infection. Mix equal amounts of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and warm water in a small foot tub. Soak the affected toenail in this solution for 20 to 30 minutes. When done, dry your toenail thoroughly. Number 4. Epsom salt. Epsom salt, scientifically known as magnesium sulfate, is effective for treating ingrown toenails. It helps soften the skin around the affected area, which makes it easy to draw out the ingrown nail. Mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a foot tub filled with warm water. Soak your feet in the solution for 20 minutes. Remove from water and dry your feet thoroughly. Repeat this remedy 3 or 4 times a week. Number 5. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an effective disinfectant that helps reduce the risk of infection and relieve pain and inflammation caused by an ingrown toenail. Mix approximately ½ cup of hydrogen peroxide in a small tub of warm water. Soak the affected toenail in this solution for 20 minutes. Do this once or twice daily. Number 6. Tea tree oil. The antiseptic nature of tea tree oil can help relieve pain and reduce the risk of infection due to an ingrown toenail. Put 1 or 2 drops of tea tree oil in 1 tablespoon of any carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. Apply it on the ingrown toenail and cover it with a bandage. Do this 3 times daily until you're satisfied with the result. Along with tea tree oil, lavender or oregano essential oil can also be used. Number 7. Indian lilac. Indian lilac, also known as neem, has inflammation-reducing and pain-suppressing properties that can alleviate pain, inflammation, and swelling due to an ingrown toenail. Boil a handful of neem leaves in 4 cups of water, strain and allow it to cool down a bit. Soak the affected toe in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to dry the area thoroughly. Repeat twice daily. Note: do not self-treat this condition at home if you suffer from conditions like diabetes, poor blood circulation to your foot, or nerve damage in your leg or foot.